Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Valorant look more vibrant. Right? It's pretty easy to do. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, Intel or AMD, you are in the right video. So what we're going to do if you are using an NVIDIA graphics card is just right click on the blank space in your desktop and click on NVIDIA control panel. Alright, and simply wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to look through this sections right here, and the ones that you need to find is this one. Adjust desktop color settings. Now once you're in here, select your main monitor or the monitor that you game on. All right, once selected, in here apply color enhancement. Make sure to select all channels. If you want to adjust your brightness, just go ahead and use that. And if I were you, I'm not going to adjust the contrast or gamma. So basically what you're going to do here once you are on this section is to adjust the digital vibrance. All right, I don't know if you can see it, because when I look into my second monitor where I'm recording, I can't see the changes. Just go ahead and use the slider and move it depending on your liking. Once done, just hit on apply, close this one, play Valorant, and you're good to go. Now, if you are using an AMD graphics card, just go ahead and follow this set of instructions right here. If you want to, don't worry, I can leave this article in the description. So basically, what you're going to want to do is to locate the AMD software. Then once the AMD software is open, just go ahead and use the search bar right here. All right, I don't know if you can see it, the search bar, and look for display. All right, or you can just go ahead and tick on gaming, then go to display. Now once you're in here, you can change the dynamic contrast, color enhancement for individual games, and by default display color enhancement in application profile is set to use global settings as shown in this example. All right, gonna want to go ahead and tweak some settings right here, especially the color correction, custom color, display color enhancement, and the dynamic contrast. All right, now for Intel, you're going to want to open up the Intel Graphics Command Center, then click on display. In the left navigational menu, select the color tab. Ensure that you are on a custom profile. The default color profile is locked. To create a new one, just click the large custom button. Once done, adjust the brightness, color, hue, all right, or saturation settings as desired. Once done, just click on save or click restore to original colors to revert any changes. Monitors also typically provide a button or menu item for adjusting the color balance. You're going to want to go ahead and see the monitor manual or contact the display manufacturer for more information. So if you're like me, that is a pretty cheapskate when it comes to tech, at least for now. All right, because my monitor doesn't cost that much, I don't have that many options. I can only change the color blue, green, and reds, but not the vibrance. All right. Once you have changed that, just go ahead and launch Valorant. Adjust it if you want once you are in game. Or another option is by simply looking for Vibrance GUI right here. All right, gonna want to click on that. Again, Vibrance GUI. Let's go ahead and download it. Once you have it downloaded, if you want to, you can auto start Vibrance GUI once you boot up your computer, and make sure to add your game right here. Add. Once done, launch the game, and just like on the slider from NVIDIA control panel, just go ahead and use the slider and just set it whichever Vibrance you like. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Well, thank you for watching. Goodbye.